You're very welcome along to 50 Ways to Boost Your Holistic Therapy Income in Any Economy. This is part 1 in a little series that I'm doing, and this one is one of my favourite ways to attract new clients: Google My Business.
The first thing I would advise you to do is set up a Google My Business account. It is an absolutely fantastic way to get seen, because if someone's looking for a massage in Galway, what's she going to do? They'll first of all ask a friend, but if you don't have a friend to ask, or the friend doesn't know, they'll type in massage in Galway, and you want to come up in that search. If you're not familiar with Google My Business, it's where if you go into Google and you do a search, and you get a little box that comes up with a map beside it, and there's lists of businesses. That's Google My Business, and it is 100% free. When I saw it first, I thought, God, that must be expensive to get into. It's not at all. What I would suggest as well is that you post a special treatment once a week on Google My Business. When I say special treatments, I don't mean special as in cheaper. A special treatment is doing something, maybe combining different treatments together, maybe doing a head-to-toe treatment. So if you're a reflexologist, you might do a top-to-toe, a 90-minute melt, a treatment that would combine a facial, reflexology, maybe Reiki, possibly essential oils. So just look at the therapies that you have and see what you can combine in what way to make a special treatment. A special treatment might be a bit, or should be, I think, a bit more expensive than your standard treatments. I would also, really important, to ask your clients to post a review on Google My Business. Because when somebody is looking for a treatment, they go to Google, well, after your friend, of course, they go to Google, they look at the listing, and I'd say at least half the time, if not more, they will look for reviews. I know if I was going for a treatment with someone I didn't know, that's the first thing I would do, look and see their reviews. So ask your clients if they put up a review for you on Google My Business, really important. And you could also share their reviews on social media and on your website. So screenshot it, quote it, do one of those posts that have a coloured background. So this is what Mary said about her Indian head massage. You know, if you're doing that though, get permission. So you could quote that a client's got this result, but if you go to make the testimonial identifiable, then ask for the person's permission first, and obviously never use their name without their explicit consent. People can get annoyed about that, understandably.
Thank you very much for coming along and listening. I really hope, if you don't have a Google My Business set up yet, Google My Business listing set up yet, that you will do it ASAP. Push to the top of that to-do list. It'll make such a difference. And I will be along tomorrow for the next class in this mini-series, where I'll be giving you tips for setting up your own website, even if you are about as techie as a turnip and you have zero money to spare. If you'd like to get access to the full video about 50 ways to boost your holistic therapy business in any economy, you can just click the link below, where you'll be able to get a full video plus an ebook that goes along with it. And if you prefer just to watch the videos in short classes like this one, I also have a link below for the playlist. Hope you enjoyed those. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you for the next one.